It's burning. I told Tori once I was fully over him, I would burn all my stuff. Oh, it's burning. It's burning nicely. There's a ticket from Coraline, Valentine's Day. There's the hearts I made the day of my birthday. And the birthday card. Lovely. And all the notes with the weird drawings. Oh well. And cars say vroom vroom, not broom vroom, I swear. It's burning, look at it. Oh, I love this. This is fun. But I like it. I'm really enjoying this.
Shut up, Abby.
Amy, you be quiet. You'll have a boyfriend someday, too. So you'll be asking your sister what the matches are.
This is fun.
Come on.
Sorry. The lid still needs to burn. The lid's the one that says burn on it. Everything else is stuck in there. Oh, this is a fun moment. Burn. Disintegrate. Burn. Vibration. Burn.
How long are you going to be out here?
Oh,
Can I touch this, Dad?
Look at it, it's melting. It's melting. Oh, oh, this was fun. Gives us nice heat. Very nice. It's still burning.
Do you have a YouTube account?
Yes, I do. Wouldn't this be funny if it burned for 4 minutes and 3 seconds? I don't think it's gonna make it that long.
Hey, Abby, it would be funny if it burned for 22 seconds.
Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, it's over. What a lovely night. Goodbye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.